If your life had a reset button, you'd be the immortal jellyfish. Intrigued? Let's dive in. The Turritopsis dohrnii, or immortal jellyfish, is nature's time traveler. When it gets old or injured, it performs a cellular magic trick by reverting back to its juvenile polyp stage. Imagine growing up, then going back to being a kid whenever you wanted. This cycle can repeat indefinitely, meaning this jellyfish can technically live forever. Scientists are fascinated by this process, hoping it could unlock secrets to human longevity. It's like the fountain of youth, but for jellyfish. So next time you think about aging, remember this tiny marvel of the sea that's mastered the art of eternal youth. Stay curious, science geeks.